Now we are going to add a weight in the drawing sheet itself. This is an actual component applying the cast iron steel material. Now we need to know what is the actual weight for this sun gear part. Just to put it this particular part into the sheet, afterwards just by specifying of this with an annotations. Now I'm going to pick an annotations and mark it one of its portions. Initiate a weight. This is a random text. Just to command a weight. After that, link it with property manager. Selecting it and under specification tree, choose this property manager. In a file properties, under custom, we need to specify by double clicking of it, we can easily to define the weight or mass, whatever this stock size or what are the difference. Now, text, date, type, all that values is nothing but SolidWorks mass. All that will be clearly defined and evaluated value is 27.68. Once it is evaluated, just to look at the property name, it is a weight and the weight for the series is 27.68 grams. Okay, this is what the how we can easily define under by using of a property manager. Thank you.